touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you guys today with freshly washed hair, and today's video is going to be a flat twist. Today's video is going to be flat twist with a braid out, and you guys will understand what I mean once I get into it. And I co-washed my hair and deep conditioned it, and it is soaking wet right now because I just washed out the deep conditioner. And I left some of the deep conditioner in it just to keep it moisturized. So I'm about to start, and I'm gonna start by sectioning off the front of my hair where the flat twist will be. And I'm just gonna be parting my hair right behind my ear from one side to the other side. And now I'm just gonna straighten the part. And now that I'm finished sectioning off the part for the flat twist, I'm just going to twist that and put it into a big bantu. Now I'm gonna start my braids. And to do my braid out, I will be using Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Recipes Curl Boss, the coconut curling jelly. I'm gonna be using this. First of all, it smells just like coconut and it is amazing, and the consistency is very gel-like. So I'm thinking this is going to be successful, but we'll see. I'm going to part my hair into two sections just to make it easier to manage. I'm going to be doing medium-sized braids. So about this much here I'll be using. And I already detangled my hair when I applied deep conditioner, so it should be fairly easy to brush through, but I'm going to be using my Denman brush to make sure that the gel is evenly distributed. And if you guys haven't seen as yet, I will link my Denman brush review down below in the description box so you guys can see that video. But I'm just going to apply some of the gel. I don't want to add too much because if I do, it's going to make the hair take longer to dry. So I'm going to try not to use too much. So I'm just going to apply that, detangle my hair, and then braid. Now I'm going to try to make sure to braid my hair tight at the root so that the curls go from the root right to the end. And my lock is getting in the way. And I'm just going to braid it right down to the end, and then continue that with the rest of my hair. And this one is a bit thick, so I'm going to split this one in half. I'm going to apply the gel or jelly. And this feels like it would make for a great wash and go. So I'm probably going to try this on my hair doing a wash and go sometime. And then a braid. Okay guys, so I've finished braiding all of the back of my hair, and that's how they look. And now I'm about to do the flat twist at the front. I'm going to part my hair down the middle, as much of the middle as I can get, because that's how I want my flat twist done. And I'm going to section off the part I am not using. Then I'm going to detangle this side. And I'm really sorry about the lighting coming in and out, guys. But I have to work with what we have. I'm applying the gel. I'm brushing that into my hair. And I'm going to start with a small section. And I'm going to begin twisting that. Then I'm just going to add in some hair as I go. And I'm just going to detangle it one more time. And twist the end. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I am finished with the twist, and this is how they look. The white stuff is just the gel mixed with the deep conditioner, and I really hope that dries clear, because then I'd have a lot of white residue in my hair again. I'm about to oil my scalp with this cocoa butter oil, and I'm just gonna put it all in the parts. And I'm going to leave my hair, I want to say overnight, but I don't think this is gonna dry, because right now it feels soaking wet. So when I come back with it dry, I'll let you guys know how long I had to leave it for, and then I'll undo the braids and style my hair, and you guys will see the finished look. So today is Wednesday. I ended up leaving in the braids for 3 days, I guess you could say. And here I am taking on the front, and I'm gonna put up the excess braids that I won't be undoing as yet, to focus on the ones that I have to begin with. And before I begin to unbraid, I am going to reach for my extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to coat my hands with some of that, and then rub it along the braids in order to help reduce the frizz and to re-moisturize the braids. And here you guys are going to see me beginning to unbraid the hair. I'm just going to unbraid all of them, and then I'll come back and talk to you.
This is how my hair looks after the unbraiding, and I'm going to coat it with some more olive oil just to make sure it's moisturized, and then I'll begin separating the sections. And what you're seeing is me doing the praying method in order to help stretch your hair as well, to reduce some of the shrinkage it would have had. And I have finished separating all the sections. I did that off camera to reduce the length of this video. And I'm just going to take the 2 flat twists in the front, and I'm going to tie those to the back of my head and separate some more. Just any little sections that I would have missed in the first separation. And to add a little oomph to this hairstyle, I'm going to be adding some gold hoops. No, they're not earrings. Everyone was asking me what I had earrings in my hair. But I got these accessories from a beauty supply store, and I just thought that it would have been different to the regular gold clips that you always see. And of course, last, we're going to be fluffing our hair, well, picking our hair to get the fluff. And as you guys can see, how the fluff side looks compared to the side that I haven't fluffed as yet. And I just try to pick out the roots to hide the parts that I would have made while braiding the hair, and to make sure it's just one big fluff ball. I really like the definition that I got from the jelly, the Aunt Jackie's jelly, and I think that I will be using this product again because I really love this hairstyle and how it came out. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.